the video today.
Look at my face now, before and after. Mrs. Kyla, Mrs. Ayesha, make makeup for me. I recommend you, Mrs. Ayesha. If you have wedding or anniversary, just call him Ayesha. Here, oy, taka-taka.
Now, let's get started. Giving her candy so that she will not get bored. Now I'm applying Wet n Wild primer, so I'm gently applying it on her face. While they are talking, I'm busy mixing this foundation from Wet n Wild Photo Focus in the shade of Ivory, and the second one is Essence in the shade of 15. I'm mixing them. Now I'm dabbing it on her face from top to bottom. Hindi ko alam mo ano mga pinag-uusapan nila. Ang dami na nilang napag-usapan. Minute ko na lang yung original na ano kasi baka marami pang makarinig. Ayan. After that, I'm gently applying the concealer under her eyes, in the bridge of the nose, and the forehead, and in the jaw. In the jaw. Now I'm tapping it, I'm blending it. Oh no, the foundation is almost going to drip on the floor. Okay, now I'm baking it with the powder, and then remove it. I don't want to bake it too much long because she has dry skin. Now I'm using this Wet n Wild eyeliner for her brow. I'm actually lining it from down to up, then fill it in the blank. Then I'm trying to clean it in every edge to create defined shape and cleaned and defined shape. As you can see, now I'm applying neutral color on her lid. Not neutral, the white color on her lid as my base. Then I apply the brown color in my palette. That palette is from Oshas, and I'm applying it like windshield. And then I use the foundation that I use in her face to cut the crease. Now it's really difficult to cut the crease because in front of me there is table, and I cannot walk around. Now I'm taking the yellow color and apply it in the inner corner of her eyes. I don't like actually to use the brush. Now I use my finger. Now the second one I use the orange color, and then the dark brown in the palette. I apply it in the outer V, and later on the same as in the other eyes. Now I apply the black eyeshadows to create deep illumination, deep illumination. What is the correct word? To create shadows. Now I contour her nose using the contouring kit of Ilahoy brand. And then I'm blending it well, just not to look like froggy. Now I'm blending it with my hands. Everything is in my hands. Now I do it the same in the other eyes. Cut that crease, baby. Alright, we're done cutting. Oh my god, what's up with that elbow? Again, I'm applying that yellow eyeshadow in the inner corner, and the next one is orange color. Well, I use my hands because the eyeshadow is not that much pigmented, so if you use brush you cannot see the color in her eyes, so I think hands is more better to get that precise color. Then the black eyeshadows at the outer V. Then I'm going to cut that outer V to clean. See how I cut that wing. After that, I put highlighter on her. What is that? Highest point of her brow. And also there under the brow area, and then in the nose line to create that illumination. I'm using my angled brush and I just slightly dip that brown eyeshadow and contour her face. Now we're applying lashes. Bam. And then I apply also eyeliner on the top of it, just to cover the glue. And I also apply from the inner corner to connect the lash. Now that we're done, it's time for blush and highlighter. See, I don't have brush for highlighter, so I use only my foundation brush. That's how harsh I am in my client. Just push that neck. Now we're applying Rimmel liquid lipstick. And now we're done. See, that that is the finished look.
Yeah.
Look
Oh.
down. That eyeshadow is not good. It's not so good.